Good afternoon, everybody. This is Rich down along the river. Rich's River Smokers, West Virginia. Now, the people that follow me, this might blow your mind on this video. Again, this isn't a cooking video. We're getting to those. For those who've been following me, they know that I'm going through, like, not the change of life, but a change with life. I love to eat meat. I love to get fat and eat fattening shit. But thanks to a couple friends of mine that is in the OTR life, over the road trucking, if you guys don't know what that means. So in order for them to stay healthy on the truck and not eat fattening shit from a truck stop or fast food, which that's the life I'm going to be leading, that my metabolism moves like molasses. So, my body doesn't really shed weight too much unless I starve itself or I work out. And we know we're not going to do any of that. Well, we might work out a little bit, like walk on the treadmill or shit, take a walk. But so I want to give the credit where the credit is due. And I wouldn't have heard about this product if I didn't follow these guys on YouTube. Now, I talk to her regularly, try to anyway, just to stay in contact, and she's a real nice woman. She has a husband that drives over the road with her. Their names are Eric and Jenna of Driver Lineup. They have a website called driverlineup.com. They sell merch, t-shirts, stuff like that. So go check their website out. I'll leave that in the description box below, driverlineup.com. Check out their channel, Driver Lineup, on YouTube. Real nice people. I can't wait to physically meet them, along with other people. But they have this drink called Kachava that they use on the truck. Okay. So I've hem-hauled around a little bit, and I ordered it offline. And I read their reviews. Their reviews are exceptional. And it's for detoxing, immunity, and, it's a meal replacement. And it's a superfood, all plant-based. It's got root plants, root stuff, like mushrooms, and they got berries and all kind of other stuff. Go to kachava.com. I'll leave that in the description box as well. You go check out, they have a vanilla flavor, but chocolate, I got chocolate, as you can see right there. And the back of it, it has a list of stuff a mile long that it has in it. So, just got back from the store, and like I said, they have the recipes on kachava.com. You can check it out. They can do anything. I was using the PB2 powder and a frozen banana, but I decided to mix it up. So today, it's lunchtime right now, and my belly's telling me it's time to eat something, but we're going to have a meal replacement instead to keep that healthy stuff in me. So let's get inside, and I'll show you how I do it. All right, guys, we're inside, and here is, it calls for 2 scoops of the Kachava chocolate. So here's 1, here's 2. We're back, and now it calls for, it says a handful of mixed berries in the recipe, but we're just going to go ahead and use 1 cup for this little 16 ouncer here. Okay, we got our berries in there. So now we got some, you can use any kind of milk. You can use almond milk, any kind of water or something, but I'm going to use vitamin D milk because I like my vitamin D milk. So we're just going to go ahead and put that a little bit above the mark because it's going to go down when we blend it. So let's get the blend in it. All right, we got our Ninja ready to go, so let's give it a blast. All right, guys, it's done. So let's go take a look at it. All right, you see the consistency. We dropped quite a bit past the 16 ounce. And it calls for like 10 to 14 ounces. What I like to do, it's a little thick for me. So what I like to do is I'll come along and I'll dump just a little more milk in it, just a touch. and we'll put it back in the blender. And the second time. All right, we're done. So let's get it out, and we'll go outside so there's more light, and we'll do a taste test on this stuff. All right, guys, here it is. Look at that. It looks fantastic. It's so simple. It's so easy to make a recipe, to come up with something, even though they help you. It's so simple, like bam, bam, like that. And you got a full meal. And I'm a little excited because I've been using the peanut butter, the PB2 powder, and the bananas. Oh, it smells like a milkshake, like a mixed berry milkshake. So, as one of my barbecue buddies says, let's get it in. I can't wait. Maybe a touch more berry. But I'll tell you what, for a meal replacement shake, this stuff tastes phenomenal, I'm telling you. If I had to explain the texture, it's like a smoothie. It's what they intend it to be, or you can make it that way. But I'm telling you guys, if you're trying to cut back, man, it's humid. If you're trying to cut back and you want to detox and work on your health and get away from some of that fattening stuff that you guys eat like I'm trying to do, I'm a barbecue guy. Okay, I'm a meat and potatoes fella. Straight up for years. But as I get older, I realize I can't quit drinking it. Wow, that's fantastic. And it's chocolate. Like I said, the other vanilla one, but this is perfect for a meal replacement. If you're hungry, if you're a little hungry and you don't feel like you want to eat like a full-blown lunch or a dinner or even breakfast, or even after workouts or even before workouts, this is the stuff for you right here. And no, they're not paying me. Kachava's not paying me. I'm not affiliated or nothing like that. I just think it'll be nice for, for them to get a little recognition and to recognize the people that turned me on to it. So, never mind the cat. He's 15, and maybe he should drink some of this stuff too. So guys, here it is, Kachava, Kachava.com, and be sure to check out driverlineup.com and Driver Lineup on YouTube. Wow, perfect. This is good stuff. So guys, I hope you like what I'm doing. I know it's not cooking what most of you guys are used to, but I'm getting back to that. But I try to keep you up on my life adventure, what's going on with me on the river. And the back of the Kachava bag says, born in the jungle, but living with me on the river. So, guys, like I said, I hope you like this stuff. Share, and make sure all of you hit the like button and smash. If you're not subscribed, smash that subscribe button and hit that little bell. Let you know when I come out with some new stuff. And all my social media links will be in the description box. Hit show more, along with the links for Kachava and Driver Lineup. So guys, share with your friends and family and with the world. This is ironic. And when you do share with them, tell them the best barbecue and the best shakes come from the river. And we'll see you on the next one.